In this video, we're going to be covering the gasket replacement, part number 90003200002 for the vacuum separation tank. To begin, locate the red knob and turn it to the off position. This will ensure the system is powered down. Shut off the drain valve on the separation tank. Locate the gasket that requires replacement. Remove the blue fitting. Move the hose out of the way. Loosen the gray compression nut. Retrieve the replacement gasket from your maintenance kit, part number 90003200002, ensuring it matches the specification of the old one you just removed. Replace the gasket. Screw back the gray compression nut. Place the blue fitting back. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Open the drain valve on the separation tank. Once all replacements are complete, power up the system by turning the red knob to the on position and ensure everything is functioning properly. By following these steps to replace the gasket, you'll ensure the efficiency and functionality of your clinical system. Thank you for watching.